Okay, I'm back at it again today. I'm gonna take that flywheel off and see if we have shims in there or not. I'm hoping there isn't, just because the end play is pretty bad, as we saw in the last video. So let's get to it. Wish me luck. I hope, like I say, I hope it doesn't have any in it. That'd be awesome. Okay, we're gonna try and take this off. We've got the flywheel locked here. It's not on there the best, but I think it's gonna work just fine. Alright, so it looks like there's a little spacer here. That's got to come off, whatever this is. And we'll have to take this back off. So we'll get that off and see where we're at. And there we go. Well, it looks like it has shims in it. And that doesn't look good either. What the hell was that? Metal. Yeah, that's not good. Something's thinned out and came apart there. Which I'm thinking that it's just the needle bearing that's in there. I'm thinking the needle bearing shot. No, it's just been sealed before. Let's we're gonna pull these shims out and see what we got. Alright, so I'm having a hell of a time trying to get this last shim out. So what I'm going to try and do is heat it. See if I can get it to heat up and do it. I've been trying to pick it out. It's not quite working. So I don't know if this is going to work. I'm going to try and heat that up. This is magnesium, so I have to be kind of careful. Trying to get stuff to move a little bit is all, without getting too crazy. Don't want to light the whole house on fire, you know what I mean? I don't know if that's going to help or not. But what's happened is it's welded itself to the crankshaft. I'm trying to pick it out. It's just not really cooperating with me. I could just get behind it, and I can just pick it out. But that doesn't want to work. So I'm going to keep at it and see if I can get this stupid thing out of here. Well, I've been out here for a couple hours trying to get this stupid thing off. That shim, you can see right there where I've been beating it up and whatnot. It's not coming off. I can get it to move back and forth, but it stops. So it's welded to the bearing, is my thought, and the bearing is moving in the case. At least that's what I'm thinking. So it looks like it's got to come apart. I kind of planned on doing that, but I was hoping that I didn't have to. Now I'm wondering if the case is any good. So anyway, I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I'm not going to work on it as much because I'm waiting for the weather to get decent. And my other stuff's supposed to be here for the Carmangia. But kind of a bummer. The engine does have compression, but if that won't come off, then you know I can't re-shim it. So I'm just hoping that that the case is decent. The whole idea of getting those shims out is so I could see if that bearing was moving inside the case. I can kind of see behind it, and it doesn't look like it's doing that. So anyway, I'm hopeful that I can just replace the bearings in it and the crank's okay and all that stuff. But we'll have to see how that goes. Alright, so after looking at this, that is the bearing. That's not a shim. It's super thin right there, so that's why I thought it was a shim instead of the bearing. And where it's moving in the case anyway, that means something's bad. So either way, I hope the case is alright. I didn't do anything bad back here. Examine it, it's fine. It's okay. But you can see where that it's really thin. So it's wore out. It's been apart before. You can see where the sealer is there on the top there. And like I say, it had to come apart anyway. So yeah, my bad, kind of stupid. But I didn't cause any damage. So we'll just tear it apart and see what the issue is with that bearing spinning in the back. Well, I guess that's it for today. I guess I'll go watch the Super Bowl. Thanks for watching.